AP exams are not required for admission, but if you have taken or plan to take any AP exams, you can report them on this page. Most likely you're not planning. This is something you would have done while in high school. You will need to report all exams taken, even if you didn't pass them, but don't worry, it won't count against you. Add AP, completed. I took it in April of 2017. My AP exam was English, language and composition. Yes, I did receive my score, and unfortunately it was a 2. Save and continue. Once you are done with this section, move on to IB exams. Again, IB exams, like AP, are not required for admission, but if you have taken them, please report them here. Students from a country where the language of instruction is not English are required to submit a score from the TOEFL or the IELTS, but only if you have not completed 2 English approved courses. For example, if you took and passed English 101 and English 102 with a C or higher here at Crafton, you do not need to include a TOEFL or IELTS score unless you want to. Save and continue. If you took 1 or more external exams, such as the example here, please report them. Otherwise, check no and save and continue. If your review looks good, you are done with this section. You have officially finished the academic history and test scores, but you are not done yet. Please move on to activities and awards.